In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable an SSL certificate in GoDaddy. If you want your website to load securely with HTTPS, this is a simple but important setting to check. An SSL certificate helps protect data shared between your visitors and your site, and it also gives your website a more trustworthy appearance in the browser. In many cases, it can even help with search visibility and user confidence. To get started, sign into your GoDaddy account and open your dashboard. From there, go to Websites plus Marketing. Depending on the type of hosting or website plan you're using, you may instead need to open cPanel. The layout can look a little different from one account to another, so don't worry if your screen is not exactly the same. The goal here is just to get into the area where your website settings and security options are managed. Once you're in the correct section, look for Settings and then find the SSL certificate option. This is where you can manage whether your site is using a secure connection. If you see a toggle for SSL, switch it on. In some cases, instead of a toggle, you may see a button that says install or activate. If that's what appears on your screen, click that option to begin enabling the certificate. After that, confirm any changes if GoDaddy asks you to. Some accounts apply the update right away, while others may take a few moments to process. It's normal for SSL activation to take a little time, so if you don't see the result instantly, give it a few minutes before checking again. The final step is to verify that HTTPS is working correctly. Open your website in a browser and visit your full site URL. Make sure it begins with HTTPS instead of just HTTP. You should also see a padlock icon in the address bar, which indicates that the secure connection is active. If the site still shows as unsecured, try refreshing the page or clearing your browser cache before checking again. And that's it. Once SSL is enabled and your site is loading over HTTPS, your visitors will be accessing a more secure version of your website. This is a quick setup step, but it makes a big difference in professionalism, security, and trust.